Well, a lot's been happening around here at the business for a while now, and kind of behind and giving updates and stuff. I just like to kind of put things out there as we go along building the fleet, so everybody can kind of see what the experience is like in case you're thinking about doing it. But y'all know I bought a couple new trucks. Well, not new, but a couple more trucks. A couple 2020 Mack Anthems. Got those on the road, and they're turning out to be pretty darn good trucks. The drivers like them, and they've been reliable, good fuel economy, blah blah blah. So one thing I can say is they are a little bit heavy, but made a few purchases here lately that I haven't put out yet, and one of them I'm going to show you right now. It is so there's kind of a story here. One of the drivers was on Facebook one day looking at stuff and came across this trailer out in the Philly area, and we got to looking at it and the price, and I'm like, don't even bother, that's a scam. That's you know, that's ridiculous. That's a bait price to get you to click on that and blah blah blah. And just at random happened to call the guy, talk to him, still wasn't sure. Kind of seemed a little bit more legit, but we sent somebody out there to look. Said we want to send somebody to look, put hands on the trailer, make sure number one it's real, and number two it is what you say it is, so that you know, we don't get out there and it's some clapped out piece of crap. But anyway, send somebody out there and looked at it, and he says, yeah man, this thing's for real. We got to make him produce the title, clear title to it, and did some negotiations on it, and then sent somebody else out there to do the transaction, and made sure he was hooked up to it before we wired the money. But anyway, old boy bought this trailer. I think he was new to trucking, maybe new to the country, I'm guessing, and said, hey, I'm going to go buy a tractor and a reefer trailer, and I'm going to run spot market freight. And within 3 loads decided, I really hate brokers. I don't like talking to them, I don't like dealing with this, and I don't like reefer freight. So benefit us, I guess. We got to buy this trailer I'm about to show you for about $30,000 less than brand new price. And this trailer is brand new. It has only ever hauled 3 loads in it, and that's legit. I've never had a trailer in the fleet this new. Damn thing still smells new. It's got still got the knobbies on the tires. Still has, I mean, well, so it's another first also. It's the first Wabash trailer that we've had in the fleet. I have a buddy that has a Wabash trailer and is quite happy with it, but this is our first, and I'm kind of impressed by this trailer. I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit jealous of the driver that bought this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and claim it as my own and pretend it's mine while he's on vacation. He'll see this and say, hey, that's my trailer, but whatever. So let's take a look at this trailer. So this is 2025 Wabash with a Carrier 7300. Smooth sides. Now I haven't seen one with the smooth sides like this where there's not even any rivets on the wall. So that's kind of new to me. Pretty slick. It should have a pretty good aerodynamics on it. But boy, is this thing pretty. Kind of jealous. New side skirts. It has, like I said, still has the little rubber knobbies on the tires. Let's take a look at the tires. Hendrickson suspension, disc brakes, of course air ride, aluminum wheels inside and out. Let's take a look inside the trailer. Something kind of cool I haven't seen about this. It's the Wabash AccuTherm with EcoNex technology, whatever the hell that means. Special installation package, I guess. Oh damn, I forgot the key for the padlock. Anyway, it already has E-Track inside, so that was a big plus. I mean, it even smells like a brand new trailer. So I guess I can't show you the inside, I forgot the key. Oh, big added plus, came with a full tank of fuel. Another score. And like I said, Carrier 7300 unit. Barely any hours on it at all. Enough to just do a few loads. So, different feature I had not seen before. check this out underneath. So here you got your standard apron for the kingpin, and then after that you have this, the whole bottom of the trailer is smooth. I can't wait to see what that does for the aerodynamics here. I've not had a trailer like that before, so let's go look at back by the wheels. So even back here by the slider, it's smooth on the bottom, which is awesome. This trailer is going to be super efficient. We pulled a load in it, and the reefer hardly ever kicked on. But see what that does for the aerodynamics. I don't know what the hell you're supposed to do if you damage a stringer underneath. Just cut that open, or what? Imagine you'd have to. But hopefully it never comes to that. I don't know. Now, here's the $1 million question. Who is going to be the first sumbitch to back into this thing? Or hit it in the truck stop? Or what have you? That's what makes me nervous about this. Geez. You know, we can't have nice things. Had almost every truck and trailer backed into at the truck stop through no fault of the drivers, just people hit you, and it's gonna make me shed a tear if somebody backs into this damn thing. So it has the center chute inside, like I said, E-track. So I just wanted to show that. Like I said, we got a lot going on around here. I got a couple more trailers that I bought, and I'll show you them. We've added some drivers, possibly some big things happening here after the new year. We'll see how that all pans out. And I'm not optimistic, I'm not pessimistic about 2025. It'll be what it is, but I am looking forward to it, just because I think we got some new things coming up and new opportunities, and I'm not going to wait around and wait for it to get better or worse. We're just trying to make it better for ourselves no matter what happens. So anyway, we'll see you guys later. Take care, and we'll see you soon.